Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all. I am Shubham Sharma and I am pursuing PGDM from FMS IRM Jaipur, and I am here to discuss about a case study on a company. So here are the details of the company. As the name of the company is Vishal Industries Limited. It is a medium-sized engineering company employing more than 250 employees and is in need of a timekeeper. So let's explain the situation to you. The factory manager advised the personal manager of a company to select the right man to fill up the vacancy of a timekeeper. An advertisement for the post in prominent local newspaper and received a large number of applications. Only 6 applications out of 197 asked and sent them application blank for collecting their detailed information. On further scrutiny, the personnel manager therefore selected only 3 candidates and sent them call letters for the personal interview on the stipulated date. After scrutiny, only 2 candidates out of 3 appeared for the interview before the interview panel consisting of 3 interviews. The panel had therefore to take a decision on selection either of Mr. Tukaram Patil or Mr. Girish Mahajan. The personal merits and weakness of these 2 candidates are: first, let us talk about Mr. Tukaram Patil. He is a person aged 30, has a 1 year working experience. He is sociable, amicable, and enjoy mixing with employees. His verbal skills are average, but he has a good degree of hardness. He can sit late in office and prepare payrolls of employees and complete the checking of pay sheets a day before the actual date of payment. He does not demand extra remuneration or overtime for sitting late hours in office. He is a good sportsman also and has worked as a secretary of a sports club. Also, a glaring weakness as memory of his is not strong and he may forget a task assigned to him, but he frankly accepts his limitation. About Mr. Girish Mahajan. He is age 25, is a good personality, above average communication skills, but at times is rough in dealing with people. His clerical and computational skills are excellent. He does not on his own mix with people or take part in extracurricular activities and also limits his existence to his working table. Against the principle of sitting late in office, his sense of time-keeping punctuality is good and regular. His working behavior towards authority is appreciable, short-tempered, and gets angry easily. So, after the interview was over, the decision has to be made. And as certain question arises. The first question arises in terms of overall capabilities and job requirements. Whom will you recommend out of the 2 candidates in your capacity as a personal manager? So, my answer is, as per keeping myself in the place of a personal manager, I would recommend Mr. Girish Mahajan for the post of timekeeper. Now the question arises, what is the criteria? So, the criteria of my decision is: duties of timekeeper include maintaining timesheets and accurately inputting time and attendance data into the computer. They verify attendance, hours, week work, and pay adjustments while tracking overtime hours and approving compensatory time earned. As the organization needs a timekeeper, as in such case, person is needed who can be strict regarding punctuality and clerical work consisting various objectives of organization. Now, the other question arises in case of the other 2 members of the interview panel differ from your decision, how will you convince them? Yes, there's a chance that the opinions of them also differ. So my answer would be, defining my opinion to them, I will simply state that as being on the post of timekeeper, a person himself should be punctual and should be able to eradicate the unevenness of employees regarding working and attendance. Also to identify loopholes and should be strict in conduct regarding working of employees, which Mr. Tukaram lacks somehow. He is a bit polite to the employees and sometimes politeness does not lead to work. As a manager HR, what will you do to improve the interpersonal relations in the organization? Yes, interpersonal skills plays a very important role within the organization as the human resources can't be handled the way other assets are done. Hence, they need a bit of attention towards the emotions of working and making them gain interest in the organization. As an HR manager, my prime focus will be on welfare of the employees and establishing communication between them and with higher level. So, what can I do? I will, I will do not treat office as your home. An individual should not interfere in his colleagues' work. Give space to your fellow workers. Do not spread baseless rumors at workplace. Pass on correct information to others. Stay away from nasty politics at workplace. Do not share all your secrets with your co-workers. Hence, I wind up for the case study and look forward for the decision taken. Thank you. Also, we pray for the safety of all humanity and especially to those fighting to save the whole mankind. Nothing lasts forever and some distances are good. Adventures can rest. Stay home, stay safe.